People sometimes ask me why I open carded figures, and my first response is usually because I have to. I have to free them from their cells. But some figures are just a really good candidate. You can see this one, the UPC was cut out. Actually, I didn't notice this until I got it, because I have two of these carded. Somebody had sliced the side of this to get the insert out, I guess maybe to get that free G.I. Joe Commander figure offer. And so, it's just not in great shape. It doesn't display well. It's got that big hole, the big square cut out of it. I mean, why not open it up and you have a nice mint complete figure. You can cut the file card, make that all look nice. And you're going to free Major Bludd from his prison that he's been in for 23 years. So this guy's going to be pretty easy to open. He's already open here. And Major Bludd's an interesting character because obviously he was pretty prominent in the show and the comic book. But in terms of the toy, he had that wonky arm, the original one. That kind of strange arm that didn't bend at the elbow. It was sort of a unexplained, I don't want to say a robot arm, because I don't think that's what it was, but it's a metallic arm. There was a version 2, which was a Sonic Fighter, and version 3 also has kind of a weird thing with this arm here. He's got this sort of, I don't know, there's actually even, maybe it says what it is, hidden elbow spike. So he has a hidden elbow spike. This is Sebastian Bludd from Sydney, Australia. So yeah, it's kind of strange because when his elbow bends, it has that. And there's another figure that really has anything like that. I guess he kind of jabs that into people's eyes or something. Maybe that's why he has that monocle on his helmet. Maybe he actually accidentally poked himself. But this is kind of a neat figure. I think it's a decent upgrade. It's definitely got some 90s to it, but it's got like a spiked metallic helmet, and yeah, the elbow spike is a little strange. He's got this missile launcher that came with quite a few figures, and just kind of some of your run-of-the-mill weapons tree, just in different colors. But I got this for a good price, and now I have a mint loose complete one with a file card, and sometimes that silver paint rubs off. You can actually use a silver Sharpie to touch it up, but I don't need to because I opened this guy up. I got it in a lot, and got it for a pretty darn good price. So, let's see if, is this the one that says he does something really weird? I think, doesn't he write poetry? I think that was the first version. He wrote poetry, and there were a couple variants to his file card, so, I don't know, kind of a weird character, but anyway, this is a short one. Major Bludd, version 3, G.I. Joe 1994, so thanks for watching, and yo Joe.